So this is another case that I had. The SANE exam, overall, it looks like a decent SANE exam. The documents are filled out pretty much correctly, how I would like it filled out. Some things aren't filled out, but overall, it's filled out. So I go through my discovery and I annotate it as I'm going through it to review it for my lawyer and my client. And so I highlight or circle what I find interesting. In this case, what I really find interesting is the forensic samples. Nothing appears to be checked. No swabs appear to be taken. So I highlight that because I think that's interesting, that according to the documentation, and the documentation is the only thing that we have 2 years from now, because 2 years from now, we can't count on anybody's memory. That's why documentation is so important. And this is what I love. Well, I didn't document it, but I do it the same all the time, so yeah, I did it right. Come on. This documentation tells me, this document tells me while I'm reviewing it that this SANE nurse did not collect vaginal swabs, anal swabs, and perineal swabs. She didn't collect rectal swabs. She didn't collect any swabs. The lab report, all of a sudden, I have all these swabs from the sexual assault nurse examination. I don't know where they came from because according to the SANE nurse, none were collected. The laboratory has perineal swabs, vaginal swabs. They're able to test them and get DNA from them. I still don't know where they came from. Seriously, today I still don't know where they came from. Nobody does. Supposedly they came from the sexual assault nurse examiner who forgot to check it. I don't necessarily believe that because all her other boxes were checked. So what am I supposed to believe? It's very, very difficult.